So, hour one in Hong Kong, and as you can see from my eyes, maybe I'm like physically exhausted, but I'm a thug, and we only vacation like this maybe once a year, like with this back to back to back to back. So I'm gonna thug it out and make it work for this trip. But right now we're about to convert our money over and go see some sights in the city, and then we'll be back here like in what, 12 hours? 12 hours. It's a really quick layover trip. There was like only one thing I really wanted to see here, and so we just worked some other stuff out. Oh, on the flight, I thought my phones were charging, but they weren't. So I'm like phoneless today, and I'm kind of like in my feelings about it because I really need to confirm some other stuff back home while we're here. So hopefully I can find an outlet. Still haven't found one just yet, but you never know. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna find, oh my gosh, this is heavy. So I'm gonna find a converter spot, and then I'll pick y'all back up when we get outside.
So we'll take Airport Express all the way to the center of Hong Kong and then reroute ourselves to our destination.
Okay. Sure.
Just let you know.
I'm just here for the ride. So we're walking to the last leg of our destination, and I finally feel like it's safe to talk to you guys. It was so quiet in that subway, like in that train station, like so quiet. Like all you heard was just footsteps, no, nothing else. The whole time, like it was quite scary, almost like Stepford Wives-ish. So yeah, just wanted to stop by and say that. But even outside, it's relatively quiet. Like there's not a lot of people talking. So I'm curious as to why. Hopefully I can find someone and ask while we're out here. But yeah, more walking, so I'm gonna probably put this down because this is a workout to hold this up like this and walk. Alright y'all, so we've made it to our first destination, and as you can hear, it's a little bit louder than normal, but this seems like a working area. Behind me, we have the scene from Transformers 2. We're gonna open it up a little bit so that you guys can see. Is it zoomed in my face? I thought I was opening up. I'm gonna close it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And you can see behind me is the scene from Transformers. I would put it in here, but I don't want to, get that copyright strike. So we're about to head to our next stop, which is a place that only Amelia knows, until the GPS puts it to the location. I do know our second to last stop and our last stop, so ba-bang, look at that progress. If you've been keeping up with this Hawkins Experience travel vlogs, you know I never know where we're going until she says, hey, this is where we're going. Yeah, so probably we're gonna get food soon. Oh, see, the next stop is food. My body was saying eat some food. Hopefully some instant noodles. Some instant lunch. Hopefully. And I can take pictures with my noodles. But yeah, nothing else, because this is making a lot more noise than they have been before. Outside of this, it's still a fairly quiet to be like downtown, right? Oh, maybe not. I take that back. See, what the fuck I know. So with that being said, I'm gonna cue this out, put some photos that we took in here throughout, per usual. But they'll probably just pop up a whole bunch right now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys at the next stop. So ended up in the Nike store because I need to buy some no-show socks. When I changed clothes in the airport, like out of my travel stuff, I didn't take socks out of my bag, and the socks that I did have, they're too big. Like you can see them with the shoes that I have on. So I'm buying some socks right now at Nike. But we're on our way back to the subway stop. We're gonna go to our next destination, which is Victoria. Pretend like I know what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the screen, but it's Victoria or something, and that's where we're gonna go. Yeah, yeah. Since we're recording, Victoria Peaks. I remembered it. She said it though, but I remember she didn't just say it to me directly. So now they better be able to hear me as quiet as it is in the subway. Now we're gonna go back to Central Station to take the tram to Victoria Peaks. Hopefully they take our Metro card thing, and we've only used like $14. So hopefully they give us our money back from this card. I know we get the deposit back, but I don't know if we get the whole thing back, so we'll see and we'll let you know. Alright, quick update for y'all. So we thought we was gonna get in there, go ride the tram to see Victoria. Oh, here's. We thought we was gonna see the Victoria Peaks via tram, but the line for the tram is like dumb long. Like, and as I just told you, I just brought socks because my feet hurt, so I just gave up style and looking right for comfort and functionality, and I'm not about to stand up in a line and put more on my feet. So we're just gonna grab what is it, Lyft or Uber here because they don't have Lyft, and head out that way. It's like 10 bucks American, like 45, what was it, 70 something Hong Kong. So in my head that's worth it. I'm sorry, we still want to see that attraction, but I'm not standing up, so there's that on that. So we're in our Uber and we're about to head there. Pay way quicker than the tram. How much was the tram ticket? Cause I saw you had to buy tickets too.
100 per person.
Oh, so this is cheaper. Tried to get us all the way around. Nope. Alright y'all, so the last few hours of today have been an adventure, to say the least. Last time we talked, we were at
I don't remember.
the peak, I want to
Yeah,
say. I think we were at the peak last time we talked to you guys. So we call ourselves trying to like buck the system, and we got on the bus because Uber would have been another $10 or so. And we were like, okay, we can just get on the bus. The bus was pretty expensive too, but it stopped so many times and it was kind of stressful because it kept stopping, and I was like, interrupting my sleep, 1. 2, there's a baby just like, it's not even a baby, he was like 8.
How old was he?
He wasn't little.
A baby? He's not
No,
a baby.
he was bigger than the boy who mama whooped his behind, like kicked his behind, literally.
Yeah.
He was old enough to not be crying like he was crying, but yet he was crying, and it was stressful. But we're on our way up the cable car now to go see the Big Buddha. Big Buddha, right?
Yeah, Big Buddha.
To go see Big Buddha, and look, I knew this is the one I actually knew for the whole day. If it was anything else, I knew this. To go see Big Buddha, and we're gonna do our thug thizzle there. Probably wrap this up here for this whole day vlog. Cause after this, we're just gonna head to the airport, which is literally like right over there. What we're gonna do is take a Uber from Big Buddha to the airport, so that we don't have to do the trolley, get back on the train, transfer on the train, then go to the airport. So many times there's just a one straight shot back to the airport. They're gonna cool out there. Then we have our flight at 11:10, but we're gonna try to be through check in and all that by 10. Then we're gonna be off to the next country. Yeah, and then we'll do this thing all over again. So. It is absolutely amazing how much you can muster up the courage to walk when you're in the pain I am to see such beauty. My feet hurt. And we're gonna try to make it up all 268 steps.